Hi, my name is Aiman. I would like to talk to your manager, please.
My name is Asrul. I am the manager here. How can I help you?
Last week, I came here to buy a new brand laptop. Here's the receipt. Okay.
Oh yeah, I know you.
Yesterday, my laptop had freezing and getting stuck when I was playing a video game. You said that your store provide any warranty?
Oh, sorry for that. Can I have your laptop for checking?
Here's the laptop. Instead, I get replacement or refund.
We can fix it for free of charge because it's still under warranty and some free gift for update.
Thank you so much for your service. I appreciate it.
Welcome and thank you for your feedback.